Microsoft 365 Backup_Cost Management. Let's see how to manage costs and invoices for Microsoft 365 Backup in Azure. The Cost Management dashboard provides a summary of your backup-related spending, highlighting total costs, recent trends, and forecasted expenses. You can group costs by tag, subscription, or resource to visualize patterns, identify cost drivers, and manage backups proactively. Actual and forecasted costs can be reviewed on the Cost Analysis page. Under Reporting and Analytics on the Cost Analysis screen, analytical tools show aggregated costs for Microsoft 365 backup services. With flexible filtering options, you can click on the date field to view costs across a date range, or for a selected month, quarter, or year. You can also group costs by meter, service name, resources, and many other available groupings. There are backup service provided tags that you can use to see cost breakdown by backup service types: consuming tenants, applications consuming backup, or by protection units. Tags categorize and analyze costs, such as applications protection, unit ID, service types, and tenants. By selecting tags as service type and selecting the service type as need drive, as shown here, your costs associated with need drive backups can be reviewed. Another useful feature is the ability to create budgets per subscription department or resource group tailored to your organization. You can define budgets for various time frame and segment them using tags for detailed allocation. You can set a budget amount and get automated alerts that can notify you when spending near or exceeds budget thresholds, allowing proactive management. Configure notifications for different stages of budget utilization. For instance, here I am setting a monthly budget and configuring alert to Megan when forecasted cost is going above my threshold limit. Another useful feature is Azure's export feature. To regularly get usage reports, choose report templates and save exports to a storage account. As you can see, you can give the export a name and configure to receive periodic export to a new or existing storage account. These steps show how to create a new storage account in case you don't already have one. A container will store your export data that can be saved into a directory inside your storage account, just like a folder in your OneDrive. As you can see here, I'm creating daily exports, so I expect a daily cost export to run and be saved in my newly created storage account. To view and analyze monthly and historical invoices, you should refer to the Invoices section under the Billing section to download detailed invoices for records. Review line items for cost allocation and streamline reconciliation. Thank you for watching us.